western Marlboro County in northeastern South Carolina until 6 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wallace, or near Terrell, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chevitttown and Wallace. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. And the surrounding area. Issued at 2:25 p.m.